As a swing coach, I often talk to my students and they say, hey coach, my irons are good and my woods are bad. Why is it that one can be good and one can be bad? Well, I'll describe that to you and show you how to improve that using the Saber. So it's all related to the snap release. So what I want you to do is take your Saber and hold it right here where it says light snap. As you take the Saber and put it at light snap position, let's say you're really good with an iron, chances are you have a little bit better lag. So what's going to happen with that timing ball is you're going to hold it in your hands longer and then you're going to snap later, and that's going to allow an iron strike to be more descending on the back of the ball. However, if you take a lot of lag and a sharp descent on a driver, typically what that does is that starts to produce too sharp of an attack angle and a lot of side spin or a slice. And then it can also produce a low hook if you flip your hands over. So what you're going to want to do is understand the difference in each club. So if you're going to hit an iron shot, you want to have a little bit of lag and a sharper descent angle. If you want to hit a driver, you don't want as much lag. You want to go ahead and release it out here. So an exercise that you can do is go back to about the halfway back position, snap it out here just a little bit earlier, right here. So when you're working on your driver, you're going to release the energy earlier and actually sweep it through. And that could be the same for fairway woods, fairway bunkers, hybrids, and long irons. A slightly earlier snap. When you're working on your mid irons down to your wedges, it's okay to get a little bit more of that lag and then snap it a little bit later. So that's how you can improve all of your clubs working on your timing using the Saber.